think Walmart doesn't sell. Here's how we hit $100,000 from starting from zero, right? And we can see right here, sales 173,000, huge spike during the holiday season. That's obviously where most of the sales are at, and then pretty consistent throughout the other times, but solid. It is possible to do this on Walmart. It just takes a lot of time and effort. And the first thing that we want to do is make sure that you have at least 10 products to start with. So when you go on Walmart, you sign up, you get approved, try to get at least 10 products up and running at a time. Walmart is more of a numbers game, not just focus on one and go all in. That's my recommendation, completely up to you. But one thing I do want to add is product approval. Sometimes you don't need it at all. So if you're trying to sell Nike shoes or Adidas shoes or Puma shoes or something completely different, Labubu, what you want to do is click add items and then type in Labubu, see if there's already a listing on Walmart, or try to create your own listing and see if Walmart will let you sell it. You'll know because it says published. If it says error when you create the listing and it shows up in the errors category, that means you can't list it and you probably need product approval. But you'll be surprised. There's so many items right now on Walmart that don't need product approval. So start with 10 items, double check that you can actually sell it, and then start selling it right away. The next thing is going to be your listing quality score. Right when you get started on Walmart, it's time to make sure that your listings have a good listing quality score, right? You can see right here, it's kind of like a grade, a test. Walmart shows you if you failed your test, if you did okay, or if you did amazing. You want all of your listings to be in the excellent category. And this is in the listing quality dashboard. And you can see the excellent listings are making so much more a month compared to just the good listings. And the poor listings are barely making anything. Pretty much what you do is you go to this platform and it's in the growth tab. Once you go here, you'll scroll down and it's actually going to tell you how to optimize your listing to get into the excellent category. Make sure you do that. It's a bit annoying, but it totally works and it's definitely worth it. After you're done that and everything's in the green, you've got your items set up, it's time to go into your listings and click edit and just add all of the sections in your listings. Add everything in, the brand name, seller name, images, anything that you can add into your listings, add into there. There should be a lot of different columns you can add, like brand, league, how it works, warranty policy. Add as much as possible. Don't just fill it with filler stuff. Make sure it's good. And that's going to help you with your listing and your listing quality score as well, all in one. Next up is going to be converting all of your listings to WFS. You can obviously ship the product yourself to the customer, but I highly recommend doing WFS instead. This is like Amazon FBA. So you can actually go into the WFS tab. It'll take me there. There we go. And get Walmart fulfillment services. So make sure you're on here and just pretty much convert all of your listings to Walmart fulfillment services, ship them into Walmart, and that's going to increase your sales as well. So definitely another recommendation for sure. And obviously try to keep your items in stock to the best of your ability. Once you do all of these, you'll notice that things usually will start picking up and you'll start generating sales without running any Walmart ads. Just make sure that your products aren't priced too darn high, like $1,700 for a pair of shoes, unless the pair of shoes is actually worth $1,700, right? What Walmart does is they look at Amazon's prices and then they match Amazon's prices. So as long as you're at the same price as Amazon or lower, then Walmart's going to push you to the first page, or pretty much you have a higher potential. Right. So those are the kind of the steps that we did it. And that's kind of what I mentioned here with the price. Make sure your price is good. You're using fulfillment by Walmart. And you can also run a price promotion instead of running Walmart ads. If you did all of this already and it's not working, attempt to run a price promotion. It's actually going to put it, as long as it's 10%, the promo must be 10% lower than your compared price. Then what it's going to do is put a strike in, and then Walmart's going to help push you to the first page again. There's so many different things that you can do. Here's an example of it. And just make sure that you go through this, you double check it. And if you follow these steps, there's a high chance you will start generating sales on Walmart. And while we roll into the holiday season, there's an even larger chance you're going to generate a lot of money. And I want that for you. That's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. We'll help you find products, get on Walmart, sell on Walmart, optimize all your listings, and generate sales. The best part about this is you can focus on growing your business while we're doing the day-to-day operations. Just contact EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, signing out.
Hello.